AirPods Pro 3 not charging and showing no lights? This often stems from a depleted case battery, dirty charging contacts, or software glitches. First, ensure your case isn't in deep sleep by using a certified USB-C cable, 20 watts recommended, to charge for at least 30 minutes. Clean the charging port and earbud contacts with a soft, dry brush to remove any debris. Software glitches can be fixed by using the Find My app to check the battery health. The case charges to 80% in about 30 minutes on a 20-watt charger. Test the case alone, then earbuds separately to isolate the issue. If charging remains problematic, perform a hard reset by holding the setup button on the case for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber, then white. This hard reset restores factory settings and clears temporary bugs that may be causing charging issues. Avoid wireless charging in humid environments to prevent condensation issues that can damage charging components. Use only certified USB-C cables to avoid overheating during charging. For persistent problems, contact replacements may be required if physical contacts are damaged. Perform monthly cleaning of the charging port and contacts to remove dust and debris that can cause charging failures. Avoid cheap chargers to extend your device's lifespan and prevent power management issues. Check that your iOS is version 18.3 or higher for better compatibility with wireless charging pads. Ensure your AirPods are running the latest firmware, version 7A278 or later, to reduce power management bugs.